Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com. Our meticulously crafted duplex villas for sale in Bavaro seamlessly blend modern living with natural beauty. Prices start from $145,500, featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1 guest restroom in 818 square feet. Benefit from a prime location, just a 9-minute drive from Punta Cana International Airport. Enjoy convenient access to Blue Mall Punta Cana. Revel in a family and kids swimming pool over 100 meters, a dedicated barbecue area, and a serene wellness park. Take tranquil strolls under gazebos or along the jogging track. Experience daily ease with a mini-market offering home delivery services, along with a cafeteria. The duplex villas for sale in Bavaro not only feature kitchens for culinary enthusiasts but also come with cleaning services, ensuring a haven of comfort without the hassle of chores. With Allegra Park, you're not just acquiring a home, you're embracing a lifestyle. Immerse yourself in a community that values your well-being, security, and the joy of living. Make this duplex villa for sale in Bavaro your sanctuary in Punta Cana, where your dreams find a home. Our payment plan reserve with $1,000 US, followed by 10% after signing the contract, 30% during construction, and 60% upon delivery. Visit PuntaCanaVilla.com for your dream home. Your oasis awaits.